guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bathusha if you're new. For today's video, I'm going to be talking about my favorite shoes, Converse. So for today's video, I wanted to talk specifically about the brown Chuck 70s because I got a comment about them and I want to explain a little bit about the differences between the classic Converse and the Chuck 70s and then ways to style brown Chuck 70s. Speaking specifically about like the retail prices between the classic Converse and Chuck 70s, there's like a huge difference because the classics are $70 and the Chuck 70s are $90, and when you look at them side by side they kind of look the exact same, so you're probably wondering why there's such a big difference in the price. So the classic Chucks don't have as much of a base support as the Chuck 70s do, so these ones are a lot more comfortable in my opinion. I've owned both of them and I find that like I lean towards these ones because I can walk a lot more comfortably with them. Another thing that I noticed when I first picked them up is that the logo right here is a harder plastic compared to the one that you find in the classic Converse, which I really like because when you're wearing Converse every single day, this part rubs off, especially when you have the classic ones, but I haven't found that happen on these ones. And I've had these for about a year now and they seem pretty good, and the back part's black. That's another thing that you can consider, but when you're looking at them, they look the exact same. So if you're just looking for the look of Converse, then go with the cheaper pair. I really like the dark root Converse because my personal style is earth tones and like beige, which includes like beiges and browns, so this just fits perfectly in there. The reason why I made this video initially was because one of you guys actually commented on one of my videos talking about Converse and like the differences and how you wanted to see them in an all black outfit. So instead of doing just like a video showing you guys like an all black outfit and showing you guys the Converse, I wanted to do some outfit ideas if you had a pair of brown Converse, because I know when I first got my pair I had a hard time finding outfits because not a lot of people had them, so I thought it would be fun if I made that video for someone. If you have a pair of brown Converse then you could try it out, or even if you had a pair of black Converse you could probably try out these outfits too, because I feel like these look very similar to the black ones because it's a really dark brown. So the outfits that I've styled brown Converse around are a going out outfit, and in this one I wanted to show off a going out outfit because I know I go out wearing Converse, so I just wanted to make it so that you guys were aware that they can be dressed up and they look cute when you go out as well. I do an everyday look with them as well, and this is the one where I do an all black outfit because that's what one of the viewers asked for. I show it in black Converse as well because they had mentioned that they wanted to see it in both the brown and the black, so I did that. And the third outfit that I show is a comfy casual outfit. It's like business casual, sort of, kind of. I'm not really sure, but you could. It's like fancy pants. So I think they're cute. I hope you guys liked the outfits that you see. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I had a really fun time making this video. If you guys want to see more like this in the future, make sure you comment down below. I do have a pair of forest green Converse that I would love to make a video like this about because making the outfits for them are so fun. So I would love to do a video similar to this one. So if you guys want to see that, give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, subscribe so you're kept up to date with my videos. And I'll see you guys in my next. Bye!